Okay, here's the patch job. Got a wire there with a splice here and here. And what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to correct the connection here between number 4 on this plug here that goes into the power panel and then pin 8, or pin 7, I'm sorry, 8, 7, so it's this one right here. And hear that? Music to my ears. And it sounds solid. So all I got to do is put these plugs back together and then patch up some of this other stuff that I cleared, trying to search out that error. But other than that, I think I'm in business.